Alright, this is track opened up. What's going on YouTube? 5.0 Primo here. Today we got a video. We're going to install some headers on my homie Dakota's 5.0 Mustang. It's an 18 plus Mustang. Now I'm not going to do an install video. I already got an install video on the channel. I'll drop it down in the description below. I'll go ahead and put the link. Instead today we're going to do a comparison. We're going to show you the sound clips of the exhaust without the long tube headers, and then we'll show you the comparison with long tube headers. We're going to do quiet mode, we're going to do track mode. Those are only two we're going to do, normal and the sport mode. Track is the loudest, quiet mode is the quietest. So we're going to show you a comparison. Right now all he has on it at the moment is an H pipe and the active exhaust stock mufflers. So we're going to show you what it's like with just the H pipe, and then I'm going to install the long tube headers, and then we're going to show you the clips of with the stainless power long tube headers. Are they catless or catted?
They're catless.
They're catless headers. So we're going to give you all a comparison of the two in quiet mode and track mode. Let's go to get the quiet mode clips. Let's go to get the track mode clips, and then we'll install the headers, and then we'll be back. This is track mode?
My mode's quiet, dude.
Yeah.
songs, yeah. I don't know what can I say. They throw me shots, but I'm saved by his grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus, the case.